Today's global engineering, research, and development market is defined by disruption and the sheer pace of change.
In an era where software and AI define products, customer demand for better, more innovative experiences is constantly growing.
Manufacturers are having to rethink the way we drive, the way we take to the skies, and how we build and farm.
In a software-defined future,
the pressure is on to take advantage of new technologies to develop products that are greener, safer, and more connected. And manufacturers are increasingly turning to Tata Technologies as the strategic engineering partner with the specialized knowledge and expertise they need to succeed. When he founded Tata Technologies as part of Tata Motors, Mr. Ratan Tata had a vision for a forward-thinking engineering business that leveraged its manufacturing domain knowledge and expertise to help solve the manufacturing industry's biggest challenges.
Since then, the company has grown to become India's leading automotive engineering research and development service provider and a global leader in engineering smarter, more sustainable products. That founding vision is more relevant than ever as manufacturers face unprecedented levels of competition and customer demand, striving to engineer a software-defined future for everyone.
Today, we have a truly global mindset and presence. We are proud of our Indian heritage, but we're even prouder of our proximity to our customers in different parts of the world.
Bringing a complex SDV to market requires significant investment and collaboration across hundreds of teams and supply chains.
But we have what it takes to help our customers deliver competitive products.
From benchmarking, conceptualization, and detailed design to engineering, testing, validation, and AI-led manufacturing support, we guide the entire journey, from product launch to enhancing the customer experience for a software-defined vehicle. We leverage product engineering and digital transformation solutions, along with AI and generative AI innovations to empower manufacturers across every stage of the product value chain.
We've been building long-standing strategic relationships with automotive manufacturers for more than 25 years.
Today, we are accelerating their SDV strategies,
using turnkey product development solutions to take a concept right through to a product. And we work with leading aerospace companies as they seek to meet customer demand and boost their capacity. Examples of our successful collaboration with manufacturers include
when we formed a joint venture with BMW Group to develop automotive software and digital transformation solutions to enhance engineering capabilities and customer experience. When we drove a seamless ICE to EV conversion for the #1 EV player in India, accelerating the electrification of their product line. When we partnered with a UK-based premium car manufacturer to develop an automated testing ecosystem for infotainment and connected features that significantly enhance their product quality and reliability. When we transformed aerospace manufacturing with cobot-driven automation, enhancing safety and precision. When we deployed a unified MES platform across 200-plus plants, enabling real-time visibility, predictive maintenance, and smart operations. When we worked with a leading British OEM to implement a next-gen ERP system, streamlining operations with a cloud-based integrated solution. And when we supported a leading airline to re-engineer cabin interiors and enabled in-service support to get grounded aircraft flight-worthy, again with DOA-approved modifications. Every success story reflects our ability to innovate, scale, and deliver globally. Our leadership is recognized across the world, ranked #1 in Zinnov Zones for India-based automotive and electrical vehicle ER&D services 8 years in a row. Our software-led Gen AI innovations were celebrated globally, recognized by the world and the Tata Group. We showcased innovative solutions at CES and Aero India. Our purpose goes beyond engineering. Through Innovent Hackathons, Ready Engineer 2.0, and ITM modernization, we're building future-ready talent. Through our DEI framework, Rainbow, we are creating inclusive opportunities for diverse talent and women in engineering. Because engineering a better world begins with empowering people. Sustainability is core to how we engineer. From circular product design and digital twins for carbon tracking to EV innovation and clean propulsion, we help our customers meet their net zero ambitions. And we contribute to greener communities through our employee-led sustainability programs worldwide. As industries converge and evolve,
We are committed to our vision of engineering a better world for our customers, for our engineers, and for our investors. Let's engineer a better world together. Tata Technologies.